Okay, so I'm James Lacey. I'm Director of JLN Plumbing and Heating Limited. We are a small local plumbing and heating company in Coventry. We also run Premier Gas Services, another heating company within Coventry.
I'm Winston Lee, Sales Manager at the Rydal Group. I've actually been in communications for over 15 years. What happened initially was we actually got a contact from JLN Plumbing and James, who contacted us via Facebook. Our sales team picked that up straight away. What we then do, we actually come in and visit the premises and do an extensive demonstration and also an extensive fact find as well to ensure that we're putting the right solution together for that particular customer.
Our old phone system, whilst it was an IP phone system, so it wasn't the oldest type, was just quite clunky. I think it was old technology. It did the job, it did the job we needed, and the biggest issue for me that coronavirus brought to light was the fact that it relied on a piece of hardware based in our office. So whilst we could log in and work remotely, if anything happened to the office, the worst things, fire, flood, anything like that, the whole phone system for both companies was shut down. Also,
another thing we identified during the extensive fact find that we always do when we meet a new customer, James wanted to literally be able to have ease of remote working, and also he needed the ability to all of his staff, which some are working for both companies, to have one extension number across the whole group itself. After listening to the requirements of the customer, it was quite evident that the recommendation was for the Curo IP.
So cloud-based being the most important thing, and then user-friendly. Field-based office staff have all got mobile apps, and it's essential. The ease of use and being able to work anywhere and actually being able to work without a phone, seeing how easy it is to use on any device, laptops, mobiles, anywhere that you've got an internet connection, we can log in and use.
And have a seamless transition. So for example, what we did, rather than taking one system completely out, we actually run it alongside the old system.
And I wouldn't have been too concerned if it was a little over what we were paying, because it had so much more features, but in actual fact, it has saved us money. Can't see anything that it hasn't got.
Rydal's ethos is consult, connect and care. That basically means that we're very consultative, we listen to the customer's requirements, and we fit a bespoke requirement for the customer's needs. We then connect, and when we connect, obviously everything is seamless, and of course the after sales care, which is really, really important, is the actual ethos of Rydal.